Hi, my name's Kayla, this is Bella,
Hi.
and we're reading The Sisters Grimm, and we have a discussion because this grandma, she seems odd, and do you think the grandma is the imposter because they're thinking that the grandma is the imposter because they're orphanage and they need to go to the grandma, and do you think the grandma had anything to do with their parents disappearing?
I think the grandma might be an imposter because if their parents had told them that they didn't have a grandma and that she was dead, why would their parents lie? So, I mean, and also, like, they found no other living relatives. And also, I think that she's probably the imposter and they just, like, chose her randomly because they just decided. I mean, the person that's trying to find them a home doesn't really seem to care whether she's an imposter or not. I mean, she sent them to homes like where like they were doing really mean stuff to them, and she also doesn't really even know their names, even though she's been working with them for a long time. So she probably didn't even care whether she was a grandma or not. So I think she's probably an imposter, and it's like she had red. It said that she had red hair, but and they found like the only clues there was a red handprint. So maybe like she had something to do with it, like she got some red paint in her hair or something. I
I
don't know.
agree because, like, and back in the book, it said that the parents had no relatives, like, that could be found, and that all the family needs is them, and that's what that's what Sabrina and Daphne said. And then also she doesn't care at all because she sent them to much worse homes, like training them to the radiator. I was one home, and there's a lot of, like, different stuff like that. And I think that the grandmother is an imposter and just wants to have something to do with it, but I don't know. And I think that they might take the I don't know if she might tell them about the legend about the giant because they're trying to solve, like, a giant story, so maybe she knows something about the giant. And I don't think she has to do anything with, like, the parents because well, I do think that she has something to do with the parents because the parents had red paint in the car, like a handprint, and the grandma had red paint on the hair that's sort of like the car color that said back in the book, so that's what I think.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.